Hello, Professor Blum's ENG102 class. It's Dan Calandra for the Mercer County Community College Library, here to help you again with paper number 3. Last time we discussed the databases. This time we're going to discuss the electronic books that we have available for you guys. Once again, the topic that you're working on is paper number 3. That is the novel Fight Club, that paper. So once again, you guys want to take a look at the prompt to kind of get some ideas of what your professor is talking about. And again, it is fairly broad, just how it fits within rebellion and conformity, and he has some specific questions there. The last video I showed you about keyword terms, and they apply here as well. So again, you can talk about masculinity, you can pick specific characters. It is up to you. You guys get to pick. I'm sure you've discussed lots in class as well about the book, so that would be part of your keyword terms as well. Also, in the last video with the databases, I reminded you that if you find one set of keyword terms that works really well for you, you can try it through multiple databases. The same rule applies here with our ebooks. So they work just like the databases. But of course, instead of getting articles, you're going to get books and book chapters. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at our ebrary database. Remember, you've got to go to the main Mercer website, scroll down, and you'll find the library services link. Click on that. You saw MERSearch last time. You also saw some of the individual databases under the quick links section. Once again, we're back under quick links. This time we're going to use the ebrary link. Go ahead and click on that. You can see it asks me to log in, and I log in with my Mercer portal info. So go ahead, click on login, and it'll take you to ebrary. Now, one of the nice things about ebrary is that when you search for it, you're actually going to search within the full text of the book. So if there's a specific word or phrase that you're looking for, you can do that. So for example, if I want to find the phrase Fight Club, I can do that. And I can type in masculinity as well, since that's one of our keywords. Masculinity. There we go. And we'll do our search and see what comes up. What you can also do if you want to is you can try and plug in the author's name. So you hopefully will get the novel and not necessarily the movie. All right, so there's our search. We can scroll through. You see it's found the phrase Fight Club throughout. And we can go ahead and we can click on one of these books. You can see some actually contain Fight Club in the title, Fight Club in the title, and you see masculinity in the title as well. Let's take this Fight Club one here first. Click on it. You're going to see that it's very similar to the database in that you have a short description here of the book telling you very quickly what it is about. You have your table of contents here telling you what chapters are within the book. So for example, we want to look for something on masculinity. Here we see one here, Fight Club and the Problem of Masculine Identity in the Modern World. That looks like it would be a good chapter for us. So you can go ahead and click on it, and it will take you to that chapter. It'll load up the book, and you can start reading it and just scroll right on through. What you can also do is if you're interested in something in particular, like a character or some other idea that isn't masculinity, you have the ability to search within the book here. So over on the left-hand side, I can click, I can go back to our set of keyword terms here, and I can do a search and see what comes up. So for example, we can type the word soap and see if that word appears in our book. And it does. You can see it appears 8 times. I scroll down. These little arrows tell you how often that word appears. And look, there's our chapter here, chapter 3. It'll show us on page 45. The word soap appears 3 times. And we can scroll through, and there it is. Soap, soap, soap. So again, if you want, you can do that as well with phrases. You can type in a character's name like Tyler Durden. You should pop up if you put it in the double quotes. What's nice about ebrary is that since it works just like a database, that means you guys can go ahead and click on the little print PDF here, and you can download sections or pages from the book, an entire chapter or a set of pages. It's up to you. You also have the ability to have ebrary generate a citation for you. Simply click on Get Citation, and it will do exactly that. And there is your citation. Now with this book, because the chapters are written by individual authors, you can see it's an edited volume. It says edited. So they have to do a little bit of work on your own in that you'll have to include these authors here like Murray Skis and Geigen. Okay, I probably butchered that name, but you would have to do them to get the citation correct. But all the rest of it, all of this stuff is correct. And again, if you want, you can search for other topics as well in here. So if you have other papers, it's not just limited to Fight Club. Okay, that's it for eBray. I hope that helps. Again, if you guys have questions or concerns, feel free to get in touch with us. You can email us. You can set up an appointment to do a Google Hangout with us. Whatever works for you guys, please let us know, and we'll do our best to help you. All right, thanks, guys. Good luck. Bye for now.